Good morning, it's EMS Automotive from Detroit, Michigan, where you're supposed to make car parts. We're finishing up our second video here on 59 Fords, and we're going to get into the trunk area and show you the various parts that we have for the trunk of the car. Okay, one of the most common ones rusted out is we have perfectly die stamped spare tire well. This one happens to be a good car, so it's not rusted out. These are often rusted out and smashed up. They go right in there. I got a bracket over there that's in the way, but it goes right in, no problems. Now, we're also going, new for us, is the side trunk panel. Okay, this is not the drop off. This is the trunk panel. Now, if we're going to pop to the other side, we can see where it rusts up there, and then there's a water trap in a couple of areas, and these rust out. The main part of the trunk floor does not rust very much. So we have this piece here. We call it the side panel for the trunk. And like I said, this is going to tuck up under there and tuck up under here. We got the kind of the headlight stuff in the way. So, but that'll fit right down in there. I got some brackets. So that'll fit in there. Specify left or right. Now back over to the other side where we have this rust. Underneath this rust area, and you can see a bolt here. This is a body brace or body mount for the trunk floor to the frame. That's what this brace here is. We have this part number 329. It goes in there underneath the side panel, and you do specify left or right. And then along the back over here, camera just behind the tail panel, we have the full cross. This is not, I don't want to call it a cross member because it isn't. It is a floor brace. Okay, we call it a trunk floor brace. It goes completely from side to side, and it is just over here. There's a cutout for the gas tank, which is what this is. And we have this for the 59 Ford. Remember, EMS Automotive, we make it in Detroit. We make it the right way. Watch out for the Chinese importers and other people trying to pass off inferior parts. Always look for the EMS label. Thank you.